Today I'm going to be doing a video of my fidget spinner. Bless me. Ow. What the hell was that? Where did that thing go? Here. Can you guys see what that is? Feels like a tooth. You guys, my tooth came out. Oh my god. But teeth can't just fall out by sneezing. Wow. Let me just go wash my mouth out. Yo guys, I'm back now. So I washed my mouth out. I brushed my teeth a little bit and I'm gonna put it in my fidget spinner, okay? Take my fidget spinner out and put it on the floor and yeah. Can you please like for my cousin? She is very funny and yeah, very funny. Let me put this name. He does new YouTube videos. So he's called Sky Moon. So yeah, he's like everything you can do. Bye.